We are back. I've got Dr. Edward Cordovato here and here with me. And so, hello, how are you?
Good, thank you. Thanks for having me.
Thank you for coming. As I said before, all of the guests that I've had some sort of a personal interaction with them. Dr. Cordovato is a chiropractor, and definitely someone that I would recommend. As an attorney, the civil cases that I handle, a lot of times, accident victims especially, where you have different options. Who should I send this person to? And a lot of times, I'll send them to someone, and the problem is that the care that they receive, they're not getting any better. And Dr. Cordovato definitely is not one of those people. When you send them there, not only is the client happy that you've directed them to him, but they also recover, and that's an important thing. It's, as an attorney, you're trying to help them legally, but you also want to make sure that you haven't directed them to someone who's not going to provide them with any benefit. And, so that's one of the things I want to say is, I'm really happy with the clients that I've sent to you, and thank you for your expertise and all the great things that you do for them.
Well, thanks for the accolades.
So tell me a little bit about yourself, your background, your history.
Well, originally I'm from Michigan, and I did pre-med at Wayne State, which is kind of like Georgia State in the middle of Detroit.
Okay.
And then I came down here in 1989 and went to Life University, and been down here ever since.
What drove you to Atlanta?
Well, the Life University. I mean, there was kind of the mix that I was looking for as far as the education opportunities.
Okay. Now, when Life University, what's the process with Life University? How long do you have to go?
Well, usually, like a chiropractic degree today, is you would do your undergrad just like a medical doctor would do their undergrad in pre-med, biochemistry, something like that, and then you go out to professional school. It's an additional 4 years.
Okay.
And one of the differences is we do actually do our internships while we're actually in school versus doing the outside residencies. Those opportunities are available to us, but not everybody does those.
Right. And so there's extensive training then. It's not. I know that some people have questions, or they just don't know when it comes to chiropractors. So you have that extensive training above the.
Yeah, there's a lot of similarities to the training that we go through and the training that a medical doctor would go through. It's considered an 8-year degree, just like a medical doctor would be, and we're completely into differential diagnosis, and that's why we're an entry point into the system. We're not like a technician, so you can come into us right from off the street because of the training that we have.
Okay.
Like a general practitioner would.
Okay. And so what drove you to this type of medicine? What made you decide you wanted to practice medicine?
Well, it kind of made sense to me. I grew up in an environment where I grew up in a little small hometown. We didn't use doctors a whole lot. It was just one of those things where, you kind of, if you were sick, you kind of had some chicken soup and slept.
Right.
And that was kind of the remedy.
Right.
With the medical aspect of things, it was, here's this magic bullet, take this and your health will come from this. And it was always that, the idea that health came from within. I had asthma as a child, pretty bad, and my parents took me to a chiropractor, and my asthma recovered because of that. So it had an impact on me from an early age, and my whole family went to a chiropractor back then.
Well, I think that's one thing that a lot of people don't know is that going to a chiropractor just doesn't have to just be because I was in a car accident.
No, absolutely not.
Tell us some of the other reasons why I would come.
Well, if you look at how chiropractic's being used today, it's being used in all different aspects of health. We can talk about high-end athletes. Every single football team, NBA team, these million-dollar men, so to speak, all have chiropractors on staff with them. 95% of the Olympians have chiropractors. The other 5% don't have chiropractic in their country, not just because they're sick and to help with injuries, but because they perform better. And that's kind of the key, is getting your body with peak performance.
Mm-hmm. No, I've heard, and you can tell me if this is factual, but I've heard that even people who have chronic headaches or that sort of thing can even come to a chiropractor and maybe receive care that may relieve that issue.
Absolutely. I mean, we take care of a whole bunch of the different things with the whole body. You know, the premise of chiropractic is that the brain controls the body, and it's the ability of the body to talk back and forth with the brain that controls homeostasis, or the body being able to maintain its health. And all we do is we remove those interferences through an adjustment by allowing the body to communicate with the rest of itself, and that way the help can get down there where the body knows about the problem to be able to fix it. And we do that with nutrition and exercise and good sleep and stress reduction, and no magic bullets there.
Right. So if I'm looking for a chiropractor, what question should I ask? Do I know who to go to?
Well, a couple things you want to look for. You want to look for a person that's going to sit down with you and do what I refer to as personalized care. So basically, the personalized care is going to be taking a good history, doing a good exam with you, if necessary, taking some x-rays, and then sitting down with you after all of that and coming up with a care plan that will work with you. I mean, my biggest challenge with a patient is do I accept this patient? Do they have something that I'm going to be successful with?
Okay.
So you need someone that's going to spend time with you as an individual, not just make you fit their mold.
Okay. And if you were going to say there's one thing that you would say about your business, first tell us your business and give us how do we contact you?
Okay. Well, we are, we're on the web and we're on Facebook and everything else. It's Park Ridge Chiropractic or Park Ridge Wellness.
Okay.
Our phone number is 770-457-0584.
Okay.
So you can get to us anyway. Even the paperwork's available online, so you don't have to sit in our office and do a bunch of things. We are right by Spaghetti Junction.
Okay.
So we're on Chambly Tucker and 85, about 300 feet off the expressway.
Okay.
And we're real easy to get to because of that.
Okay. And so can you give the phone number one more time?
Sure, 770-457-0584.
Okay. And so if there was one thing that you would, say that kind of defines the business philosophy, because you have other partners too, right?
Right. I have a Dr. Celerulo, who's with me in the practice.
If you had one thing that was going to define your business process or your business philosophy, what would that be?
We're trying to give a great personalized care based on an individual's needs, and then try to increase our percentage of the population that uses the type of care that we deliver. We have some things that kind of set us apart from other chiropractic clinics. We're the only clinic in the state that I know of that has 2 chiropractors of the year that were voted in by the membership across the whole state.
Okay.
And Dr. Celerulo was the president of the state examining board. I'm currently the president of the State Chiropractic Association. We have interns from Life University as well as Morehouse School of Medicine that are with us all the time. So in the teaching aspect of things, it helps keep us on point.
Okay. Let's see here. So we got the phone number. Is there anything else that you want to add, or really to add about chiropractic, or why someone should pick your company or pick chiropractic?
Well, I mean, some of the points I've just made as far as us being top notch in our field, and as well as chiropractic. If you have some of these neuromusculoskeletal complaints, neck, back pains, headaches, those types of things, we do great with those things, but we do well for whole health.
Okay.
And we are an entry point, so you don't have to get a referral to see us.
Great. Well, I want to thank you very much for coming. Is there anything else that you want to add?
No, thank you.
All right.
Thanks
well, thank you very much for coming, and it was great information. And one of the things, like I said, that I want to say is that Dr. Cordovado is definitely someone who is knowledgeable, and if I was going to refer someone, which I have, refer someone to anyone who's into the chiropractic community, that's where I would send them. So you have his information. Please contact him or call the company. All right. Thank you very much.
Thank you.